oil-free, sealed double-speed twin-shaft mixer, developed by SDMİX, is a new type of concrete mixer. It adopts the new shaft end lubrication structure, which eliminates the butter lubrication mode used in conventional mixers. So it is easy to maintain, and the cost is lower than the conventional one. The intelligent shaft end monitoring instrument monitors the lubrication status of the shaft end in real time to ensure reliable and stable operation of the equipment. The mixing arm is precisely arranged according to the scientific angle, and the mixing efficiency is high. It adopts double-speed motor, which can mix and produce various concrete materials, such as the plasticity and dryness. Commentary, a planetary concrete mixer. Adopting imported external reducer with high reliability. Power is supplied by multi-motor so that the power output is much efficient. Splitting tank structure for easy transportation. There are 3 fixed mixing arms inside the tank rotating with the reducer. And at the same time, the 3 planetary mechanisms are rotating, so the mixing is very uniform. Multi-discharge doors can be designed according to the needs of customers, which is convenient to use. The high-pressure cleaning system makes the tank cleaning faster. Dual screw conveyor. It is suitable for conveying materials of precise weighing. Characteristics. The outer pipe is made of high-quality steel pipe with good overall rigidity. Feeding inlet adopts universal ball joint, which is flexible and convenient to install and adjust. The self-made surface-hardened gear reducer has the advantages of high torque, low noise, and reliable sealing. Convenient to disassemble, easy to install, replace, and transform. Sand-making machine of SDMİX. Through the central feed and waterfall feed, sand can be obtained and shape dressing. The new type rotor adopts a 5-chamber design, and the stone running path is more in line with the flow curve, and the crushing effect is more perfect. Using Sweden SKF 4-point angular contact bearing, reassuring better reliability. Using Italian Carco rotary lip seal, with good sealing effect and long service life. Equipped with suspension arm for maintenance. During maintenance, the top cover is lifted by the lifting device and rotated to one side, which makes it more convenient to maintain.